Good morning to all of you. Today we will start from exercise 2.3, page number 36. Here your first question is fill in the blanks. Here you can see question number A, 55 plus 100. So it means you have to add both these numbers. So we will add both these numbers here. What is the number? 55 and 100. So you have to add both these numbers. What is 0 and 5? Here you have to write 5. 5 and 0. Here you have to write 5 and 1. So your answer is 155. So here you have to write 155. You have to do same process in all these questions. We can see question number B also here. What is the number? 4473, right? Here we have 1000. So add both these numbers, 3, 7, 4 and this is 4 and 1, 5. So this is your answer. So you have to write 5473, right? So you can solve all these questions. You have to add both numbers and write answer here. Now we will come question number 2. Estimate the sum and tick right the appropriate option. Then solve the sum in each of the following. Here first we have to add the numbers, right? You have to add the numbers. So here 2 and 9. What is the answer? 11. So here you have to write 1 as a carry. Here 7, 8, 9 and 1. What is the answer? 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer? 10. You have to write here 0 and 1 as carry here. 3, 6 and 1 is 7. So you have to write here 7. So this is your answer. Now here the word estimate. Estimate means which number near by 701. We have number here 650, right? Less than 650 means come, okay, less number 650, less, this is less number 701. This is less number of 650. No, this is more. This is big number of 650. So what is, you can tick this because this is the more than 650. Again here you can do same thing. You have to add 3 and 2. What is the answer? 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to write here 0 and 1 as carry here. 5, 6, 7. So you have to write here 7. So this is your answer, 705. So here less than 700, more than 700. So this is more than 700. So you have to pick this. You have to follow same process in C and D. So you have to do both these questions. Now we will come question number 3. Guess and addends and guess the addends and fill in the blanks. So here we have two numbers and the addition of both these numbers is this, but one number is missing here. We don't have this number, so we have to find this number. So how we can do this? We have to do this because this is the addition of both these numbers, and this is the one number. So you have to minus 30 from 70, so you get this number. How we can do this? We can see here. Okay, the question is question A, 30 plus, here we have blank, nothing we have, and here we have answer 70. So what you can do, you have to minus 30 from this answer, like this. 70 minus, you have to minus 30 from 70. So 0, 0 here, here 7, you have to minus 3 from 7. So what is the answer? Right? 4. So this is your answer. So you can write here 40. Okay. So you have to write here 40. Same in B. Here you have blank. Here you have your second number is 100 and your answer is 300. So what you can do here? You have to minus 100 from 300. How we can see here how we can do this. Here we have blank. Here we have our second number, that is 100, and answer is 300. So what you can do? You have minus 100 from 300. 0, 0, 3. You have to minus 1 from 3. What is the answer? 2. So here you can write 200. So your answer is 200. Now you can do question C and question D. You have to follow same process in both these numbers. Now we will come question number 4. So our question number 4 is the sum of the three numbers at the corner of the triangle is written inside the triangle. It means you have given 3 corners. This is corner, right? We have 3 corners and the sum of these numbers, here we have right numbers, here 30, here 10, here number is missing. So the question is, we have 3 corners and the sum of these 3 corners written in right in triangle. Okay, so we have to find the missing number. Okay, so how we can do this? Here again we have to follow same process we have done in previous question. First we have to add both these numbers and minus from 80, minus from this number. How we can do this? We can see this here. First, what we have total number? 80. Answer is 80. First answer is 80 and this, the both these number 30 and 10. So first we have to add we can make the diagram, right? This is 80. So first you have to add both these numbers, which is 30 and 10. Add both these numbers. What is the answer? 0 and 3 and 1, 40. Okay, so this is your addition. Now you have to minus this total number from 80. So 80, right? You have to minus this number from 80. 0, 8, you have to minus 4 from 8. So your answer is 40. So here you can write 40. So if you add 40, 10 and 30, so you get 80. Okay. Here again you can do add both these number and minus the answer of this number from 600. How we can do this? Again we can make this diagram here like this, right? Here we have 100, here we have 200, here we have 600. Now we have to find this box number. So first we have to add both these number. What is this? 200 and 100. Add both these number. What is the answer? 300. And we have to minus this number from this answer. So we have to minus 300 from 600. So what you get here, you have to minus 3 from 6. So you get 3. So this is your answer. So you have to write here 300. So here we have to write 300. Now you can do this question. Okay, so you have to do this question same as it is. Now we will come page number 83, exercise 2.4. Now question is, add the following number horizontally and write the answer. Here we have numbers, two numbers, and we have to add both these number and write answer here. Okay, so how we can do this? We have to write both the number, add both these number and write the answer here. So we can understand this question here. So first we have to write our question 1, that is 526 plus 738. So we have to add both these numbers. So we all know how we can write numbers. First number like this and second number start from back side, right? Like this. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So answer is 14. 4 you have to write here and 1 as carry here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your answer is 1264. 1264. So you can write this answer in this blank. So 1264, that is your answer. So you can solve question number 2, 3 and 4 easily, right?